Welcome back, mi gente. As y'all may notice, I'm in my kitchen. Today is going to be a cooking video, and not just a cooking video, a baking one. The fall is finally here, and what better way to embrace it with some delicious fall goodies. During this season, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite fall baking recipes. Literally, all baking recipes. This is actually one of my favorite hobbies around this time of year, is just getting in the kitchen, baking, taking my mind off of whatever's going on in the day, and it honestly relaxes me. So without further ado, I want y'all to meet these delicious, soft, healthy pumpkin cookies with a salted maple frosting. Yum. These are gluten, grain-free, and it can be dairy-free if you replace the butter that I use. Instead of the regular butter, you can use vegan butter. But overall, gluten and grain-free and almost dairy-free. These cookies convince people to fall in love with pumpkin. No joke. Let me tell y'all, my husband is a picky eater, and when I made this for the first time, he ate almost a whole batch in just one day. Honestly, I'm obsessed too. So without further ado, let's get this party started. that was it. Those were the soft, healthy pumpkin cookies. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the process. They're actually really easy to make. A 10-minute prep time. And the ingredients are simple. You can find these ingredients anywhere. These are attainable and affordable ingredients. I also want to give a shout out to Juju's Crafts. She made this awesome sweatshirt. I love it. It's Halloween already, I guess. If y'all haven't done so already, go check out my previous video. It's all about fall decorations on a budget. It's pretty interesting. And last but not least, I am on Instagram as well at Nicky. You can find me there. I'm sharing all of my fall favorites. Also shared a pumpkin cold brew recipe on there that is to die for. Go check it out at Nicky on Instagram. All right, y'all. Well, again, thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Like and comment. Let me know what you guys thought about this recipe. Did you guys mix in anything different? Does it taste good? Tell me what you think. As a little sneak peek, my next video is going to be of chocolate, so I can't wait to show you. I hope you guys are enjoying the fall season as much as I am. Again, as you know, my favorite season ever is this season. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Sweets? They're not even I can't wait to dig into these because they're so delicious and moist. I hate that word too, but they are for real. Super moist.